In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build first workflow in Gumloop. By the end, you'll have a simple working automation that uses AI to generate text and send the result to an output you can use or share. I'll walk you through each click and explain what's happening so you understand not just what to do, but why it works. Start by opening the Gumloop website and heading to your personal home area. This is the dashboard where all of your automations live. If this is your first time here, the page is designed to guide you into building something quickly, so keep your eye on the main section of the screen. You should see a clear prompt inviting you to build your first workflow. That banner is a shortcut into the visual builder and saves you from hunting through menus. When you see the option, select Start Building. This opens the workflow canvas, which is the space where you'll add steps, connect them, and define how data flows from one action to the next. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel with controls and building blocks. That side panel is where you'll add new steps whenever you want to expand your automation. Click the plus sign button to add your first step. A menu appears with different categories. Choose using AI, which gives you building blocks powered by language models. Next, pick Ask AI. Think of Ask AI as your brain step. It takes your instruction, processes it with an AI model, and returns a response you can use in the rest of the workflow. Now it's time to give the AI clear instructions. In the prompt field, describe exactly what you want. For example, you can paste this prompt. Write a short blog introduction about AI automation tools. Use simple language and keep it under 120 words. Prompts like this work best when they include the topic, the tone or audience, and any constraints such as length. If you need a different voice or niche, adjust those details directly in the prompt so the output matches your use case. To finish, add an output node. This creates a clean endpoint for your workflow and gives you a place to read, copy, or pass along the final text. The output node is especially helpful as your workflows grow because it standardizes how results are captured and displayed. That's it. You visited the dashboard, started a new build, added an Ask AI step with a clear prompt, and created an output to receive the result. You've just built your first Gumloop workflow.